In this video, I'm going to show you how to create charts in Koyfin. So first of all, make sure you are already signed in to your account here in the official website of koyfin.com. So now, in order to create charts in Koyfin, first of all, search for a ticket. So you can type stock, ETF, or index symbols. It could be AAPL or SPY in the top search bar. And now, to open the chart, so as you can see in here, click on that chart. So this is the chart. So from the menu to open the default chart view. Now, you can now customize the chart. You can use the indicators button to add RSI, moving averages, MACD, etc. So change the time frame. It could be 1 day, 1 week, 1 year. It's up to you. So choose between line, bar, or candlestick styles. So to compare multiple assets, you can click the plus compare button to overlay another assets on the same chart. And then after that, once you are satisfied with your chart, you can click the save the chart or save button or the star icon to add it to your dashboards or watch list. And that's how you create a charts here in Koyfin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.